Okay, guys, this is our next question that when can we approximate a binomial distribution into a normal distribution? You see, to tackle such situations, such harder questions, finding such probabilities, there are some conditions that should be met so that you can approximate a binomial distribution into a normal distribution. Um, we know that the parameters for a binomial distribution are n and p. The thing is that your data should be reasonably large enough so that you can use this normal distribution here. So the condition here is that your NP should be more than 5 and your NQ should also be more than 5 if you really want to approximate your binomial distribution into a normal distribution. And for this, we have some questions here in the book. Let's try them. Look at this first question here. It says, decide whether or not each of the following binomial distributions can be well approximated by a normal distribution. So here it is, you see your first part. You have this n20 and your p is zero point 0.6 in this 8 part. So if you find this np, that is 20 times zero point 0.6. So this is going to give you 12, which is more than 5. So this means this condition is satisfied. Then you find this nq, that is 20 times zero point 0.4. So this is also more than 8. So yes, you can approximate for this part A, we can approximate this binomial distribution as a normal distribution, okay? And if you look at this, maybe this D part here, your N is 50, your P is 0.06, and your Q is going to be 0.94, okay? So let's find this NP and NQ and see if they are both more than 5. So 50 into 0.06 will give you 3. So this is not large enough for us to be able to approximate this as a normal distribution. So you see, this is the condition. These are the two conditions that should be met if you want to approximate your binomial distribution as a normal distribution. So these are the two conditions that should be met, okay? In the next segment, we'll see that like once it is decided that you're going to go from the binomial distribution to the normal distribution, you see the parameters for a normal, binomial distributions are n and p. You should also remember that if you, approximate this as a normal distribution, then the parameters of for this normal distribution are mu and variance. And how would you get that? Let me tell you in the next segment.